Hello and welcome guys to SickBros YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show how to gain access to RootMe machine. This is a try hack me walkthrough. Before we go further, don't forget to like and subscribe for more new hacking videos. So let's go. Let's check the website, this try hack me website, RootMe machine. So I have already started the machine. Let's get the IP address copied. I've already deployed the machine, so let's answer this question. So the first task is reconnaissance. So in here we have some questions that we should answer it. So the first question is scan the machine, how many ports are open? So let's open terminal, scan the machine. Let me zoom in. Okay, let's write sudo nmap -s c for script default script. So -sv for service version, and enter our IP address. Press enter. Sorry, it's password. Now it's scanning the IP address that give us some information about the IP, which ports are open, which services are running on the port. So we see the scan is finished. So in here we see two open ports. One is SSH and another one is HTTP, which is a website. So let's answer the first question. Next question is what version of Apache server is running? Apache is running. So let's check HTTP. So we see 2.4. We see 2.4 is the version. So let's copy it. Copy and let's paste it. So let's see what's next. What server is running on port 22? So we see on port 22 it's SSH. Let's answer it SSH. Press enter. So in here it wants find directories on the web server using the GoBaster tool. So GoBaster is a tool which is used for URL brute force directories and subdomains. So write GoBaster and dir for directory. Let's -u for the URL, enter the IP address. We copy it. Now we specify a word list for it. User share word list derb -common. I use this word list and press enter. So it will take a time. So I will skip it here. So we see the GoBaster finished. So we could find some hidden directories like panel and upload. So let's enter the IP. Let's check this website. So we see this the website. So let's go to the hidden directories like panel. We see this file in here. We can upload a file and run that file on the website. So let's check another directory like uploads. So in here, when we upload a file in this page, the file go to this page, upload file. It's located on upload file. So in here we do our PHP reverse shell. So let's answer the questions. We did it. We could. So what's the hidden directory? It's dash panel. So this the reconnaissance part task is finished. So let's go to the other section. So in here we should get a reverse shell. So for reverse shell, you can create your own reverse shell with MSF Venom, or you can download from GitHub this PHP reverse shell. You can download it. I use this one. This is our file I downloaded from GitHub. You can download. So let's open it. Let's open this PHP. These are some information. So in here, these two options, we should change it. One is the IP. So in here we should enter our computer IP, and in the port we should enter a random port. This is my IP address. So let me enter. Let's change the IP address. So this is my IP address, and I change this to something like 3333. I change it to something like this. So let's save it. So now let's upload it to the website. Let's upload. We see in here it's filtered. We can't upload PHP file. So let's check that. Can we upload something else? Let me check something like this one. Let me upload this txt file. So we can upload any txt, any file, but not PHP. So let's check on upload file. We see our file could successfully upload to the website if we click on it, so we can see it opened. So let's go back. So in here we should change the extension. So let's change the extension to .phtml. This phtml is the PHP 2 version 2, PHP version 2. So let's check. Let's upload it again. Let's upload. So we can see the file could upload successfully. We see this our file. Before we run the file, so we should let's listen on that part. So we use netcat for listening. So dash L for listen, N for means not DNS, V is for verbose, P is for port. Let's enter our port. Press enter. So now it's listening. Let's run our file on this website. So if we come back to terminal, we see we have a shell, reverse shell to the website. So if I write UMI, we see it's www data. So now let's find file, type find slash, let's specify the type, and now let's specify the file name and press enter. If we come to try hack me user.txt, we need this flag. So let's find it, press enter. Now it's scanning for user.txt. So it's on var dash www. So let's open that file. So we see we could find the flag. Let's copy it, press enter. So we could successfully finish this part. Let's go to the second task. In here we should find the user permission, USID permission. So let's check for that. We use find slash dash user root dash per dash 4000. So let's check the hint. We see this is the syntax to find SUID permission. So this is syntax. Let's write it and press enter. The scan is finished. So let's go up, permission to these. So we see we can access, we can use these without permission. We have permission to them. So this is Python. Let's copy it. We have a, we see this, the syntax. Let's press it. Is it it? Yes. So now we should get a root access to the machine, the shell. So we should have to root access. Let's go to the GT for binds.github.io. In this website we can find Unix binaries that bypass local security restrictions and misconfiguration system. So in here let's find Python. We see it's Python in here. So we need the USID. This is the command that root as. Let's copy it, paste on the shell, press enter. So we see who am I? I'm a root user. So let's find the root file. So dash name root.txt. So now we are root user. So ls-l. Let's go to the root directory, cd root ls. This is the file, this is the flag. Let's cat it. So this is the flag. So we could successfully get the flag. So let's complete this one too. So we could successfully finish this room.